So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And then you're going to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up. You're going to wait for this to load. As it's loading, we can complete the next steps in the video. So you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you're going to type in net space start space WAUSERV, click on enter. Make sure that the service has been started. And then you're going to type in net space start space bits, click on enter. So you're going to make sure that both these services have been started. Now you're going to type in SFC space / scan now, and I click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You're going to double click on it. And then click on Windows. And then scroll down till you find Software Distribution. Here it is. Double click on Software Distribution. You're going to delete everything in this folder. So you're going to do Control A on your keyboard. And then click on Delete. Click on Do this for workaround items, and then continue. If you get this, you can click on cancel. You're going to delete all the files that you can in this folder. And now once you've done that, now you want to head back to CMD. And now your SSC scan now command should be completed. Wait for it to be on 100%. Now you want to type in DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health, and click on enter. And then you want to run this final scan. Once it's been completed, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.